Here goes, guys. Hey guys, I hope you're well and had a blessed start to this new year, 2024. Today we'll be looking at unboxing the DIVOOM Ditoo. The Ditoo Pro. So as we see here, comes in a nice case. Wow. Nice box. With some cables and some cool stickers that you can add onto your Ditoo. Let's pop this over there. As you can see, just a sound test on the keys. So guys, the Ditoo Pro comes with a whooping 5000 milliamp battery life. There's online radio system, and as I've mentioned before, it can record your voice and play it back to you, which is an amazing feature. It can also get your social media notifications. So yeah, if you're a busy person like myself with content creation and you're too busy to look at your phone and you have your Ditoo around, it will notify you, obviously, by connecting via Bluetooth. And yeah, it's a really amazing device. I've been enjoying it. Super cool for aesthetic purposes. Also, you can customize it as per your liking, whatever you're into. Like, I'm a big Batman fan, so I've obviously chosen this various of online content that you are able to download on the DIVOOM app itself, which is fascinating. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, follow and subscribe.